Last summer, I traveled around the country with photographer Joachim Eskilsson for Time magazine. Our assignment was to document poverty in America, because the Census Bureau had reported that more than 49 million people are living below the poverty line. We wanted to know the stories behind the statistics.
There's people out here right now having earthquakes every day in their lives. They're having earthquakes every day. I'm one of those people. We're having earthquakes.
I never thought that I would be unemployed with a master's degree. It's shocking and it is embarrassing.
When I come home from the military, I kind of expected a little bit more from civilian life. How come there's jobs out there and I can't get those jobs?
I do my best to be independent. Minimum wage is like $7.25. I'm unable to make it at 25 hours a week at $11 an hour, so it's really, really hard for me.
We cut back on paying for medical insurance. You know, we sold our car.
I'm homeless at the time, and I just go from pillar to post, basically every day. You know, somebody I know might let me stay for the night, and you know, the next day it's the same thing.
I'm just glad that I'm at retirement age next year. I'm glad it came to an end when I'm 62. If I was 49, I'd probably hang myself, because there's nowhere to go with your profession.
We was raised to believe we were part of this great nation, and people are starting to wake up and they're realizing it don't exist. The American dream is just that, it is a dream.
There were also moments of hope, like when I met these 3 African American girls in a poor neighborhood in New Orleans who had big ambitions and talent.
What I want to do when I grow up is I want to become a criminal justice lawyer.
I want to be a doctor.
My name is Khadija Wood.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
Be a singer.
Why should I feel discouraged?
Time magazine published some of the photos last fall, but not the audio recordings. I owe it to the people that let me into their homes and who shared their stories with me a chance to be heard. I'm asking you to donate what you can to help me turn this into a multimedia website with photos, text, and recordings. My hope is to introduce you to people that you don't always have a chance to meet. And maybe through their stories, we can start to form a picture of America at this moment and start to ask questions about what kind of country we want to be.
He watches me.